Hey everyone! So today we're doing a 12 by 12 canvas, and my girl Marcy from Mixed Media Girl has this new technique called the infinity pour. We'll see how coordinated I am. Alright, so in this cup I'm going to start with some white, and I'm going to use Carolina Blue Shimmer, Moody Blue Shimmer, and Sleeping Beauty Shimmer. A little bit more white, Carolina Blue, Moody Blue, and Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. These are paints from my paint line. So if you want more information, you can get that in the Garage Posse on Facebook, or you can email me at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. So on this side, I'm going to use some black. Look at this, I'm even doing that left-handed, huh? Some purple. This is Morning Pansy Shimmer. Allen's Red Shimmer. And Christina's Laguna Shimmer. A little bit more black. This ought to be interesting. Okay, I've never done this technique before, so let's see how it goes, and let's hope we have enough paint. I'm sure we do. Okay, so she goes like this. So here we go. Let that set for a minute. I'm going to torch it. Of course, I have silicone in my paint, so we're going to have lots of cells. All right. I watched her daughter Sierra do one. It came out absolutely beautiful. That kid has some talent. She's a very good little artist. She reminds me of my granddaughter Kaylee. They just pick it right up like it's so easy for them, and how we struggle sometimes, you know. They have no fear. Turn it. Paint's running very slow. Bring it back to the middle. This technique does have a lot of possibilities. You could do it with different types of paint. Of course, your color selections are endless. I just wanted to try it with my paints to see what we would get. Alright, let me move this around just a little bit. And then I'm going to wipe my hands and give it a torch, because I think there's some cells under the yellow. coming very slowly. They're there. They're just not popping up yet. But I probably like it like that. It's pretty cool. I'll give you a close-up. Lots of cool cells. My paint played well. Using it with white and black. So yeah, check out my paint line on the Brush Posse. If you're not on Facebook, just shoot me an email at Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com and I can give you more info there. We have it in ready to pour, and we also sell just the pigment in the jars like this. One of these will fill your bottle twice if you're mixing it per my recipe, I should say. But you can get a lot of paint out of that, pouring paint. But I'm going to leave that right there. Subscribe while you're here. Click on that bell for notifications. Click like and share. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. We can try this again without silicone. I have lots of paints over there without silicone. And join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on the channel. We have a lot of fun on Monday nights, goofing around and painting. Throwing in a giveaway here and there. We just do it for you guys because we love y'all. And also, check out all the links below. Our paint mixing videos are below. My PayPal donation link is below if you want to sponsor my channel. We do giveaways for our sponsors quarterly. We have some great prizes for that. Our next milestone, of course, will be 100,000 subscribers. Sharing the videos helps us get there. I'd like to be there by the end of the year, but we'll see what happens. Also, shop with me on Amazon for your paint pouring supplies, the torch, the trays, the pads, everything I have in there. And Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Code is below. Teespring, Etsy, there's so many links below. Just check them all out. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.